Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Grammar Vibes. I'm Tom.
And I'm Kate. And today we're diving into something that sounds simple, but actually confuses a lot of learners.
Oh yeah, one of those sneaky English topics.
Exactly. Today we're talking about be, been, and being. 3 tiny words, endless confusion.
Honestly, they look like triplets, but they behave like completely different personalities.
Yes, it's like they all went to different grammar schools.
Before we start, quick reminder, if you enjoy this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an episode.
And if you're too busy to watch the whole thing, no problem. You can listen while walking, cooking, or pretending to work. We're also on Spotify.
Multitasking at its finest.
Okay, Tom, let's start simple. What is be?
Good question. Be is the base form of the verb. It's like the original version, the raw, unfiltered, no makeup version of the verb.
I love that description. So be is used after modal verbs, right?
Exactly. Words like can, should, must, will. For example, you should be careful.
Not you should being careful, not you should been careful.
Unless you want your English teacher to cry.
Another example, I will be there at 8.
Classic, simple, clean. No drama.
So rule number 1, after modal verbs, use be.
Yes, easy win.
Now let's move to being, which is where things start getting spicy.
Oh yeah. Being is the ing form. It's used in continuous structures or after certain verbs and prepositions.
Let's break that down. First, continuous forms. Example, he is being annoying.
Which is different from he is annoying.
Yes, important difference. He is annoying means it's part of his personality.
Like permanently annoying.
But he is being annoying means right now, at this moment, he's acting annoying.
Temporary annoyance.
Maybe he's usually nice, but today, nope.
Today he chose chaos.
Exactly.
Another example. She is being very quiet today.
So again, temporary behavior.
Right.
Now let's talk about being after prepositions.
Yes, this is a big one. After prepositions like for, about, without, you often use ing forms.
Example, thank you for being here.
Not thank you for be here.
That sounds like robot English.
Or pirate English.
Thank you for be here, matey.
Okay, now I kind of like it.
Focus, Tom.
Sorry.
Another example, she apologized for being late.
Again, being.
Because it follows for.
So rule number 2, after prepositions, use being.
Nice and clear.
Now, the mysterious been.
Ah, yes, the quiet one, the introvert of the group,
Been is the past participle form of be.
which means it's used in perfect tenses.
Exactly. For example, I have been to Paris.
Or she has been very busy.
Or we had been waiting for hours.
That one sounds dramatic.
It is dramatic.
So rule number 3, after have, has, or had, use been.
Yes, that's the golden rule.
Let's compare all 3 in one situation.
Oh, I like this.
Okay, imagine you're at a party.
Already fun.
Sentence 1, you should be polite.
Advice. Modal verb, be.
Sentence 2, you are being polite.
Right now. Temporary behavior.
Sentence 3, you have been polite.
From the past until now.
Look at that. Same idea, different grammar.
English loves to complicate things.
But we're making it simple.
That's our mission.
Let's do a quick mini quiz.
Oh no.
Don't worry, Tom. You'll survive.
I hope.
Sentence, she has been working all day.
Been.
Correct, because has been.
Easy.
Next, they are very noisy.
Being.
Yes, because it's happening now.
I'm on fire.
Calm down. One more. You must be careful.
Be.
Perfect.
I deserve a trophy.
You get respect.
I'll take it.
Let's talk about common mistakes.
Oh yes, the danger zone.
Mistake number 1, using been instead of being.
Example, I am been happy.
Nope, that's incorrect.
Correct version, I am being happy. Although that's still a bit weird.
Yeah, we usually say I am happy.
Good point.
Another mistake, I have being there.
Wrong.
Correct, I have been there.
Always been after have.
Always.
Let's explain it in a super simple way.
Go for it.
Be equals base form.
Being equals action happening now or after prepositions.
Been used with have, has, had.
That's it.
That's the whole story.
But we're not done yet.
Of course not.
Let's make it fun. Imagine be, being, and been are people.
I love this already.
B is the boss.
Calm, serious, gives orders.
You must be on time.
Definitely a boss.
Being is the actor.
Always performing in the moment.
I am being dramatic.
That's you, Kate.
Excuse me?
Moving on.
And Ben is the historian.
Talking about the past.
I have been there.
I have been tired.
I relate to that one.
Same.
Let's do a short story using all three.
Okay.
Yesterday, I had been very busy. Today, I am being more relaxed. Tomorrow, I will be productive.
Wow, that's actually perfect.
Thank you, thank you.
Covers past, present, and future.
All in one sentence set.
Let's give listeners a challenge.
Yes, try to make your own sentences with be, being, and been.
Practice is key.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes.
That's how you learn.
Even we make mistakes sometimes.
Speak for yourself.
Tom, last episode you said I have went.
That was one time.
The internet remembers.
Okay, fair.
Before we finish, quick recap.
Be after modal verbs.
Being for continuous actions and after prepositions.
Been with have, has, had.
Simple rules, big impact.
If you like this episode, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell.
And remember, you can listen on Spotify anytime, anywhere.
Even while pretending to exercise.
Or actually exercising.
Let's not get unrealistic.
Fair enough.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
See you next time.
Keep learning.
And keep smiling.